Okay, so this is the unboxing of the new DJI stabilizer called the Osmo Pocket. Obviously it contains lithium batteries. So it comes in a cute little packet, Osmo Pocket. Feels like a plasticky foam case, and it has a get in on Google app, Google Play, App Store, manufactured by DJI, copyright 2018. So let's open it. A lot of packaging here. Okay, and there is a little tiny hidden tape right here, which is preventing it from sliding. Okay, so let's take a look at, wow, that is small. So we have the Osmo itself, which says, when using for the first time, follow steps in the DJI Mimo app. Okay, let's just get that packaging open. Okay, cool little LCD screen. And we have a camera on a gimbal, just like a drone. And we have a USB-C plug at the bottom. That is really small. And this is a case with some accessories and almost like a knob cover thingy. So I guess you would just put this inside, rotated, something like that. Okay, so let's look at the accessories it comes with. Quick start guide, charging, storing it. It's USB-C. It has a lightning converter cable. Ventilation area, status LED, activating, press the power button to power on off. Follow steps in the DJI Mimo app. As a micro SD card. Area. Let's see here. That's pretty much it. Osmo Pocket disclaimer. And what do we got here? Oh, has a lightning to USB-C cable adapter with a attachment here. So it's a custom adapter. We have a USB-C cable and we have a USB-C adapter. So from what I recall, that allows it to mount the phone onto it. So let's see if we can give it a shot. Okay, boom, boom. All right, what else do we have here? We've got a holding grip strap. Some instructions in Chinese telling about support. Get Osmo Shield, like the insurance policy. Alright. So let's see how these things work. So the accessory cable goes here, which allows it to connect a phone. And I guess you just slide this in. And then you mount your phone that way. So that's pretty interesting. The weight of the phone is supported by this little adapter. This is where the micro SD card slot goes. And the strap goes on. I don't see a position for the strap. Interesting. Alright, so I figured out the strap goes on the bottom here. Okay, so let's plug the strap in and see how this works. So this little thing protects the camera and it's installed that way. Let's turn the camera on with the power button. Okay, interesting. So it does a little cycle thing, but it's already centered. Asking for the language, English. Device not activated, and it's already stabilized. That was really fast. Device not activated. It's yellow here, not activated, and then we need to put an SD card in the bottom. So I'll do another video where I actually use it and test it. But if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.